Good day, everyone. Welcome to Science for High School with Merivit Education Center. This series is for M.2. Let's learn some vocabulary words. In this part, you will learn about the meaning of some words in context. You will also learn how to say each word correctly and spell them. Here are some vocabulary words for you today. Are you ready? Here we go. Number 1, respiratory system. Number 2, exchange. Number 3, acquisition. Number 4, elimination. Number 5, breathing. Number 6, inhalation. Number 7, exhalation. Number 8, nasal cavity. Number 9, trachea. And number 10, cartilage. Please repeat the word after me. Respiratory system. Fantastic! Let's read its meaning. A group of specialized organs dedicated to the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the body. Now let's start reading the sample sentence. The human respiratory system provides an area for gas exchange between the blood and the environment. Can you try reading the sentence on your own? Excellent! Please repeat the word after me. Exchange. Wonderful! Let's read its meaning. The act of giving or taking something for another in return. Now let's start reading the sample sentence. The gas exchange in lungs is called breathing. Can you try reading the sentence on your own? Excellent! Please repeat the word after me. Acquisition. Wonderful! Now let's read its meaning. The act of acquiring or gaining something. Let's start reading the sample sentence. The acquisition of their house took several years. Can you try reading the sentence on your own? Excellent! Please repeat the word after me. Elimination. Wonderful! Let's read its meaning. The process of removing or getting rid of something completely. Now let's start reading the sample sentence. Sweat includes the elimination of water to regulate body temperature. Can you try reading the sentence on your own? Excellent! Please repeat the word after me. Breathing. Wonderful! Let's read its meaning. The process of taking in air into and expelling out of the lungs. Now let's start reading the sample sentence. The breathing mechanism consists of 2 phases. Can you try reading the sentence on your own? Excellent! Please repeat the word after me. Inhalation. Wonderful! Let's read its meaning. An act of taking air, smoke, gas, etc. into your lungs as you breathe. Now let's start reading the sample sentence. Inhalation allows us to take in oxygen to be used by the body cells. Can you try reading the sentence on your own? Excellent! Please repeat the word after me. Exhalation. Wonderful! Let's read its meaning. an act of breathing out the air or smoke that is in your lungs. Now let's start reading the sample sentence. Exhalation allows us to get rid of carbon dioxide from our body. Can you try reading the sentence on your own? Excellent! Please repeat the word after me. Nasal cavity. Wonderful! Let's read its meaning. The nasal cavity is a large air-filled space above and behind the nose in the middle of the face. Now let's start reading the sample sentence. The air enters the respiratory system through the nasal cavity. Can you try reading the sentence on your own? Excellent! Please repeat the word after me. Trachea. Wonderful! Let's read its meaning. The main trunk of the system of tubes in which air passes in and out of the lungs. Now let's start reading the sample sentence. After the air leaves the nasal cavity, it enters the trachea. Can you try reading the sentence on your own? Excellent! Please repeat the word after me. Cartilage. Wonderful! Let's read its meaning. The strong white tissue that is important in supporting and connecting parts of the body, and especially in joints to prevent the bones rubbing against each other. Now let's start reading the sample sentence. To prevent the trachea from collapsing, it is held by many C-shaped cartilage. Can you try reading the sentence on your own? Excellent!